Hey friends! So welcome to Kamay na Bakal, a shop that specializes in custom motorcycle seats. So here we have my TMX 125 seat, which I wanted to give a different look. Before going there, I pre-ordered this design so that we just have to install it. Kamay na Bakal also makes U-bends. Just tell them the model of your ride for a perfect fit. I wanted two things to get done here. First, to make the seat longer to allow a back ride because I had shortened it previously. And second, to make the U-bend flat because it was slightly inclined towards the end. Now that the U-bend is welded, the next thing is to install the seat. And there you have it. The cost for the U-bend and seat is 1,500 pesos. For the labor, just message them on their Facebook as prices may have changed. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone!